Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss C in room 130, and we have been learning about the letter B. B stands for B, B, B. And whenever I see the letter B, I can remember the sound like a B, B, basketball, B, B, basketball. I want to read with you a letter B book today. So I'm going to put my B card down, open up my book, and if you can read the words of the book, say them. B is the first sound we hear in balloon. B for banana. B for bear. B, b, balloon. B, b, banana. B, b, bear. Wait a minute. I have something here. Let me see. It's a bucket. I see lots of things inside that start with the letter B. Now, let me see. Wait a minute. What are crayons doing in my B bucket? Do you notice something special about these crayons? What color are they? Brown, blue, black. They all start with the letter B. Brown, blue, and black all start with B. Good job. I see something else in my bucket. Let's see. Ooh, what is it? Why would this be in a B bucket? It's a butterfly. And butterfly starts with the letter B. Let's see what else is in the bucket. Wait, this doesn't make any sense again. Goats, goats does not make the b sound. But if I look at these goats, they look like billy goats. Billy goats from Three Billy Goats Gruff. We'll have to read that story soon. Let's see what else we have in here. It's a baby. Hi, little baby. Put that one down. We have something else. Let's see. What could this one be? Boat. All the things start with b. Let's see if you can figure this one out. It's b. What could it be? Let's see. Give you a closer look. What is that? It's a bench. Bench. Nice job. Ooh, I think this must be for the baby. It's a bottle. Baby and bottle both start with B. I'm getting hungry. For a burger. Burger. We also have bread. Bread. I know it's hard to hear that because of the letter R, but bread also starts with the letter B. Oh, I've got a box. Let's see what's inside the box. It's a baby banana. A baby tiny banana. But wait, I see something else in the bottom of my bucket. Let me see. I got a big banana and a baby banana. Ooh, two more boxes. Let me see this one. So spooky, creepy, crawly bug. Bug. I've got another box. Spooky bat. The bat is in the box. This is a good bee bucket. I like it. I get one of these for my birthday. It's a birthday cake. We've got a couple more things. Bell. Bell. How about a button or a bow? I think there's only a couple more things. We've got a brush and a bear and one more thing, the letter B. Tell me again, what does the letter B say? And whenever we see a B, We can remember that B says b, 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 just like a bouncing basketball. Great job, guys. I love learning about the letter B with you, and I will see you next time.